Good morning, student. Hope you have completed 60 exercise homework. I have given you question number 1 and question number 2 here. Some sums has been given. Today we are doing word problems. Okay, so in word problems you have to write the statement and properly you have to solve the sum. Let's do question number 1, that is the cost of a toaster is rupees 1750, means 1750. A shopkeeper brought 50 toasters for a selling. Try to understand the question. Here the question says the cost of a toaster, means one toaster cost is 1750 rupees. So a shopkeeper brought 50 toaster, means he had brought 50 that kind of toaster for selling. How much did he had to pay for 50 toaster? Student, always understand, whenever it is multiplication sums, you have been given a cost of one thing, or you will be given one thing, and the question will ask about the many things. Like here also, the cost of toaster is given, only one toaster cost is given, but the shopkeeper is asking how many toasters cost, 50 toasters. Okay, so every time you have to solve like this. Then you have to write the question 1, cost of a toaster equal to rupees 1750. Cost of 50 toaster will be 50 into rupees 1750. Okay, it will be like this. Understand, children? So how you are going to write? 1750 into 50. Right? 0 0 0 0. 5 0 0. 5 5 25. 5 2. 5 7 35. 35 36 37. 7 3. 5 1 5. 6 7 8. So 8. 0 0 5 7 8. So thus you will write the answer. Thus the cost of 30 toaster would be 87,000. This is rupees sign, rupees 87,500. Answer. This way you have to write. Okay, let's do question number 3. A shopkeeper sells, the question number 3, a shopkeeper sells 16,520 packets of milk. Okay, how much packets of milk he is to sell? 16,520 packets of milk. Each packet costs 25 rupees. So each packet will be cost 25. How much money did he get at the end? So again I told you, in multiplication mostly what they will ask like that, ki they will give you a cost of one thing and they will ask you the cost of n number of things. Okay, here also the cost of what they are giving you, the cost of one packet is 25, and what their question is asking, what will the cost of 16,520 that type of packets. Okay, so let's start like that. Cost of each packet equal to rupees 25, and cost of 16,520 packets will be how much? 16,520 into rupees 25. This is rupees. Okay, so what we will doing? We will be doing 16,520 into 25. Okay, 5 0 0, 5 2 10, 1, 5 5 25 plus 1 26, 2, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2, 32, 3, 5 1 are 5, 6 7 8, so it will be 8. Let's cross the ones place. 2 zeros are 0, 2 twos are 4, 2 fives are 10, 1, 2 6 are 12 plus 1 13, 1, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. Okay children, it will be like this: 0, 0, 6 plus 4, 0, 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 8 plus 3, 11, plus 1, 4. Thus, you will write the statement in the end. Thus, the total cost of 16,520 packets will be rupees 41,000. 4,13,000 will be rupees 4,13,000 only. Okay, this way we will be doing the question number 3. Let's do question number 6. Let's do question number 6. Let's do question number 5. A society, read the question. A society has 13 floors. So there is a big building, it's having 13 floors. Okay. If there are 32,701 people on each floor, so on each floor 32,701 people live. How many people are there in the society? So how many total people are living in the society? So let's start with that. Total number of people lives in one floor. Total number of people lives in one floor is 32,701. Okay children. Total number of floors is, how many floors are there? 19. So total number of people in the society will be 32,701 into 19. So let's do that. 32,701 into 19. Okay children, 9 1s are 9, 9 0s are 0, 9 7s are 63, 3, 6, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 6 that is 24, 4, 2, 8 9s are 9 and 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 2 29. 9 1s are 9, 9 0s are 0, 9 3s are 63, 3, 6, 9 2s are 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 4 I have written here, 2 here. 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 2, 29. Let's cross the ones place. 1 1s are 1, 1 0s are 0, 1 7s are 7, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3. So let's add. This will be 9, this will be 1, 3 plus 0, 3, 4 plus 7, 11, 1 here, 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 1 here, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So total number of people living is 6. Thus you write total number of people in society equal to 6,21,319. Okay children, it will be like this. Okay, let's do question number 7. in a park there are 31,250 flower plants. So there is a park where you will find lot of flower plants. In how many flower plants are there? 31,250 and 78,178 trees in a row. So there are 31,250 flower plants and 78,178 trees in a row. Calculate the total number of trees and plants in a 15 such row. Try to understand that if this is a park, this is a very big park, okay, and how many rows are there? 15 rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is a big park, okay, and in a row there is एक ये रो है, इसमें टोटल 31,250 फ्लावर्स प्लांट है एंड 78,178 ट्रीज है. एक रो में सिर्फ एक सिंगल रो में इतने फ्लावर प्लांट्स हैं और इतने ट्रीज हैं. तो 15 रोज में कितने होंगे? हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों को ऐड कर लेंगे और इसको इंटू कर देंगे. किससे इंटू कर देंगे? हम लोग 15 से कर देंगे. अदरवाइज और दूसरा तरीका क्या है कि आप इसको अलग 15 से इंटू करो, इसको अलग 15 से इंटू करो और इंटू करने के बाद आप क्या करो कि उसको ऐड कर दो. अंडरस्टैंड? सो हाउ कैन यू विल डू दैट? राइट इट लाइक टोटल नंबर ऑफ, ये दिस इज फॉर समझाने के लिए मैंने बोला. यू डोंट हैव टू ड्रॉ दिस वन, डोंट ड्रॉ दिस लाइन, आई जस्ट ड्रॉ दिस वन टू मेक यू अंडरस्टूड. ओके, आप यहाँ से लिखना शुरू करोगे. यू विल राइट इट फ्रॉम हेयर. ओके, टोटल नंबर ऑफ फ्लावर प्लांट्स equal to 31,250. Total number of trees in a row equal to 78,178. Right? अगर हम देखेंगे तो लिखेंगे total number of plants. दोनों को मिला के कितने हुए? will be how much? दोनों को अगर मिला लेते हैं तो it will be 31,250 plus 78,178. ठीक है. 0 plus 8, 8. 5 plus 7 is how much? 5 plus 7, 12. 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 1 plus 8, 9. 3 plus 7, 10. So it is 1,09,000. सो टोटल प्लांट कितने हैं? एक रो में टोटल प्लांट कितने हैं? टोटल प्लांट, यू विल राइट इट हियर, टोटल प्लांट इन वन रो इक्वल टू 109,428. सो टोटल प्लांट इन 15 रो, 15 रोज में कितने होंगे? इसे इंटू कर देते हैं. इक्वल टू 109,428 इंटू 15. राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो जस्ट डू इट राइट दिस में 109,428 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 15. ओके, नाउ ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स डू 5 8 जा 40, 0 4. 5 2 जा 10, 10 plus 4 14, 1. 5 4 जा 20 plus 1 21, 2. 5 9 जा 45, 46, 47. Here 7, 4. 5 0 जा 0 plus 4. So here we are writing 4 here. 5 1 जा 5. Now 1, 1 8 जा 8, 1 2 जा 2, 1 4 जा 4, 1 9 जा 9, 1 0 जा 0, 1 1 जा 1. So now children, it will be 0, 4 plus 8, that is 12, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 7 plus 4, that is 11. So here I am writing 1 and 1 here carrying. So it will be 1, not this is 1. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14. 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Here 1 this. So the answer is 16, 41, 420. Okay. This is the answer. Note down this one and then afterward we will be doing it. Let's do question number 10. A factory produces 3,500 boxes in a day. So in a day they produces 3,500 boxes. How many boxes will it produce in the month of March and April? So March, how many days are there? 31 days. April, how many days are there? 30 days. Right? So we will just do one thing, that total boxes produced in a day equal to 3,500. Okay. Total number of days in March and April equal to 31 days plus 30 days, right? This is 30 days. So how many days? 31 plus 30 days, that is equal to 61 days. Clear up to here? Okay. Now एक दिन में वो 3,500 करता है, तो मार्च और अप्रैल में टोटल कितने दिन होंगे? 31 और 30, मतलब 61 डेज होंगे. अब क्या पूछ रहा है कि 2 महीने में कितना हुआ? तो 2 महीने में कितना दिन हुआ? 2 महीने में 61 डेज हुआ, तो 61 इंटू 3,500. 1 डे में ये इतना करता, तो 61 डेज में कितना होगा? 61 इंटू 3,500. सो thus total production of boxes in March and April equal to 3,500 into 61. That is equal to 1 0 ja 0, 1 0 ja 0, 1 5 ja 5, 1 3 ja 3, right? 6 0 ja 0, 6 0 ja 0, 6 5 ja 33, 6 3 ja 18, 19, 20, 21. So it will be, so total boxes equal to 2,13,500. Okay, so children, we have completed up to 6B part 2. I have done 5 questions. I have done 5 questions. I have done 1, 3, 5, 7 and 10. I have done 1, 3, 5, 7 and 10. You people are doing 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay. That will be your homework. I will be giving the homework in the dashboard. You will be doing it. And along with that, you note down all the questions of this word problem. Whatever I have just now I have given you, I have done the sums. These sums up to from 1, 3, 5, 7 and 10. You will be noting it down in your copy. Okay children, thank you very much. Have a nice day.